Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to jump straight into today's tutorial. I've lost two of my nails, so please, if you've seen it, don't judge me. I'm going to jump into today's tutorial very quickly. I have been breaking out like crazy because I'm in the time of the month, and for some reason this month is a bad month for me because I've been breaking out. I usually don't break out, but this month for some reason I've been breaking out, so I know it's gonna go away. I didn't really want to do this tutorial, but I just wanted to, you know, feel good about myself. I wanted to make up, go out, feel good about myself. That is why I'm doing this. So this is for me and also for you as well. All right, so before I start my makeup, I make sure my face is moisturized. So I use my moisturizer. Right now I'm gonna go in with my primer. The primer that I'm gonna use is my Remove Stay Matte primer. I'm going to use this primer all over my T-zone area because that is where I usually get oily. So guys, I had to go off camera and finish my brows. Right now I'm done with my brows. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and usually I use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using the normal to dry skin because I'm going for a dewy look today. Usually I don't use the normal to dry skin because I have oily skin, but today because I'm going for a dewy look, that is why I'm using this one. So I'm going to apply it with my RT brush 200. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm highlighting my face using that concealer. This concealer is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and I prefer the lighter shade because usually when I take pictures on Instagram, definitely I'm taking pictures for Instagram. If I take pictures on Instagram, I want to see that highlighted areas pop. That is why I use a lighter shade. I really do take my time when blending my concealer and foundation, and I use my brush to do so. I happen to find out that brush doesn't eat too much product, but when I use my beauty sponge, it does eat too much product. So right now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this powder is my skin tone. This is gonna blend the harsh lines on the areas that I highlighted. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is a lighter shade. I use this first before I use my banana powder because when I do this, I don't get crease. But when I use my banana powder first, you know, it gives me a crease. It gives me flashback when I take pictures. So that is why I do this trick. Guys, what I tell my clients is always blend, blend, blend. Make sure you blend because blending is the key to flawless makeup. So next, I'm using this product right here. It's called Shake It. I don't like it. It's a blush. I don't really like it. This is my first time trying it out, and I wanted to get the red blush look, but this one wasn't giving me that at all. It was giving me something else for some reason, and it's wet. I don't like it. I didn't know. This is my first time, so I didn't know if I was supposed to use it before using my concealer or my foundation, but I didn't really like it at all. I'm not gonna try it again. So onto my eyes, I'm using my Morphe palette, and I'm using this excuse my ghetto Morphe palette. It was looking so ratchet, so I'm using that lighter shade for my transitioning color, and I'm also using my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the color red for the transitioning color as well. I didn't even check the name for the color that I chose, but if you look on the screen you will see it. So next, I'm using my Urban Decay HD eye primer, and I'm using it as a cut crease. I'm not really going for a defined cut crease. I'm just, you know, a little bit of a cut crease here and there. Next, I'm using my Juvia's Place highlighter on top of the cut crease, and this is gonna give me a shimmer effect. And I also went in with a color framed on top of the transitioning color, and right now I'm using my Estate eyeliner to line my eyes. When it comes to mascara, I don't have a choice. I really go for any mascara that works for me. So the mascara that I'm using, I don't really remember the name right here, but hey, just use the mascara of your choice. If you go to Sally's, Target, you find any mascara of your choice. And right now I'm just applying my lashes, and underneath my eyes I'm using the color Framed to give me a smoky look. And I'm also highlighting my inner corner using my Juvia's Place highlighter. For my lips, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild lip pencil, and I'm just gonna line my lips. And for the lips, I'm gonna go in with a new product that I got from stiX Cosmetics. They sent me their Nude lipstick, and I really do love it. I'm gonna be using it most of the time because this is very good. And on top, I'm applying my NYX lipstick, and this is like a lip gloss in the color Nude, and this is gonna make it look seamless, blend it in. So yeah. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm just gonna spray my face using my setting spray. Guys, this is the finished look. I actually am in love with this look. Like, girl, you can't tell me nothing. I am glowing. Yes, I actually love how everything came out. And yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I won't hesitate to answer you guys. I am so happy with this makeup look. I didn't even know this is how it's gonna turn out. I didn't really plan this look, so I'm so happy. I knew I was going for something very simple, but I didn't really know what exactly I was going for. So I'm so happy that, you know, I've switched up a little, you know, tricks here and there with my makeup, and I'm getting used to it, so I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up to this video, and also share if you want to share with your friends and family. Just share this video, guys. Share this video. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.